Have you ever looked at pictures of planets and wondered why they're all big, beautiful balls? Why aren't there any cube-shaped planets? Or maybe a pyramid planet? That would be pretty silly, right? Well, there's a super cool reason why planets are round, and today, we're going to find out what it is. It all comes down to a powerful, invisible force called gravity. Gravity is like a giant, cosmic hug. Everything that has mass, which is just a sciencey word for stuff, has gravity. You have gravity, I have gravity, and big things like planets have a whole lot of gravity. Imagine a brand new planet just starting to form. It's a huge messy cloud of dust, rocks, and gas, all floating around in space. The planet's gravity starts pulling all of that stuff in, from every single direction, towards its center. Think of it like a giant magnet in the middle, pulling everything equally towards it. As gravity pulls and pulls, all the high parts get pulled down, and all the low parts get filled in. It's like when you make a snowball. You pack the snow from all sides, and it naturally forms into a sphere, a ball shape. That's because you're pushing equally from all directions. Gravity does the exact same thing to a planet, but on a much, much bigger scale. It pulls everything towards the center until it's as round and smooth as it can be. This round shape is called a sphere. So, why aren't small things in space, like asteroids, round? That's a great question. It's because their gravity isn't strong enough. They have some gravity, but it's too weak to pull their lumpy, rocky bodies into a smooth ball. They just stay in their funny, potato-like shapes. You need to be really, really big, like a planet, for gravity to be powerful enough to do its sphere-making magic. But wait, there's a little secret. Planets aren't actually perfect spheres. Shh, don't tell anyone. They are what scientists call oblate spheroids. That's a big, fancy term, but it's easy to understand. Imagine you have a beach ball, and you gently squish it down from the top and bottom. It bulges out a little in the middle, right? That's an oblate spheroid. Why does this happen to planets? Because not only does gravity pull them into a ball, but they also spin. All planets spin around, or rotate. Our Earth spins once every day. This spinning motion creates a force that pushes stuff outward from the center. Kind of like when you on a spinning merry-go-round, and you feel like you're being pushed to the side. This spinning force is strongest at the planet's middle, which we call the equator. So, while gravity is trying to pull everything into a perfect ball, the spinning motion is pushing the middle outwards. The result is a planet that's a little bit squashed at the top and bottom poles, and a little bit wider around the middle. Our very own planet Earth is like this. It's a tiny bit chubby around its equator, but you would never notice it just by looking, because it's such a small difference on such a giant planet. So, to sum it all up, planets are round because their massive gravity pulls all their material equally toward the center, smoothing them into a ball. And because they spin, they get a little squished and bulge out at the middle, making them slightly imperfect spheres called oblate spheroids. It's a cosmic tug-of-war between gravity pulling in and the spin pushing out. Isn't space amazing? There are so many incredible things to learn. What other space questions do you have? Maybe you want to know why we have seasons, or what black holes are. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to answer your questions in a future video. Thank you so much for watching with me today on Fun Facts for Kids. If you had fun learning about our round, squishy planets, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time. Bye.